Cusken presents ProTouch interactive display panels for education and business. Keeping students engaged in a world dominated by technology isn't easy. Teachers today need to provide their students with lessons that grab their attention to ensure they take in the necessary information. It's common knowledge that active learning is better than passive instruction. To keep students on the edge of their seats, schools should invest in interactive displays for the classroom. From business and industry to how people communicate or relax, technology has reshaped how people learn, work, and live. In an environment that contains so much digital noise, engaging with students effectively could be challenging for today's teachers. Enabling them with ProTouch interactive panels could bridge the gap between teachers and learners. It provides teachers with flexibility, reusability, and a variety of tools that make learning fun. Similarly, for students, ProTouch allows them to use technology productively, alleviating the burden on teachers by reducing the amount of time it takes to prepare, print, and hand out lessons will help educators in providing a high-quality experience to their students. Students can share their work or assignments by taking a photo and putting it on the ProTouch screen. Modern features of ProTouch include: first, software to create lessons that integrate with other preparation tools. ProTouch displays come with their own software and are compatible with most Irish and international educational packages. Second, real-time lesson building during classes. Third, capturing and recording lessons for students to review later. Fourth, presentation tools to display engaging videos, graphs, animations, or any other type of media. Fifth, network and internet access. That is why we suggest the ProTouch. Cusken merged the state-of-the-art technology of interactive displays with a full array of innovative services. This system introduces whole new possibilities of learning and allows better interactions, enhanced tools for training and education, and improved means of communication between the teacher and students. Get in touch today, www.cusken.ie